Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AmandaEnsing, and today I have two very special guests with me.
Hi, I'm Lainey.
Marley.
And we are here with a challenge video. Who are these girls on your channel? Amanda will let me tell you. So if you're a real A-team member, a real OG, you've been in the family for at least 3 years or so. Yeah. I've been in LA 3 years. So before I moved to LA, I lived in Tennessee, and these were my neighbors, and they were pretty much my little sisters. And we met because one day they came over and were like, hey, can we pet your dog? And Molly was like, yes, please pet me. So after that, it was history, and they came to California this week, and they're visiting me, and it's their first time in LA, and they have been asking me to film for so long now, and we just have never got around to it. And it's literally 1:15 in the morning, and they leave for their flight in like 2 hours. So we're like, let's just shoot a fun makeup video. We are here today. All right, you guys, it is time to start this beauty battle. Will contestant number one please state your name, your age, and your favorite sport in school?
My name is Lainey. I am 9, and my favorite sport is softball. I love it.
Very nice. Now, contestant number two, please state your name, your age, and your favorite subject in school.
My name is Marley. I'm 14, and my favorite subject is English.
Oh, that is deep. For this battle, there are 2 rules and 2 rules only. The first rule is you will each only be able to pick 5 products.
Oh my gosh.
That's not enough.
Rule number 2 is you each only have 5 minutes to do half of my face.
Okay,
so,
half of your face isn't that bad, but like it's still not enough time.
So how are you feeling? What's going through your mind right now?
I'm nervous, but like since it's half a face, that relieves half of the pressure.
Okay, how are you feeling?
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I'm going to give them 5 minutes to pick out their products, and we'll be right back.
Only 5 minutes?
We're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay, I picked out this one because it looks like she's used it. Okay. Oh my gosh.
You better go in. You better go fast. You only got 5 minutes. And there we go. She knows the technique. So what grade are you about to be in? 9th grade? Mm-hmm. It's so weird. Like, I remember when you were like, what, in like 5th grade?
It's not really showing up, but it's okay.
Because my skin's perfect. So do you wear foundation? No?
No.
You don't need to. Your skin's so good you don't need to wear foundation. Not my eyeball though.
Oh, sorry. Right, there we go.
Okay, yep, dead, but it's fine. We're good. We're good. We're alive. You have 3 minutes and 47 seconds.
Wait, for real.
So you better hurry it up.
Alright, we're just gonna like rub. I don't think I'm supposed to put it on your eye because I'm gonna put
No, but we're good.
Bronzer.
Bronzer? Okay, that's a good one. Show them what you bought. Show them what you brought out.
Okay. I got her. Lion King.
Ooh,
okay.
Lion King. Okay. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Oh.
Whoa! Those cheekbones are gonna be carved out.
You look like Maleficent.
Oh, good. I've always wanted to look like her. Love that for me. You have 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Oh, lovely. And
Your
then
next product.
eyeshadow.
All right, so we're doing a base right now.
Mm-hmm.
Do you play with makeup a lot?
No.
I feel like Lainey's more the one that plays with makeup.
Yeah.
So you're using the bronzer as eyeshadow?
Mm-hmm.
Very smart. I do that as well. Maybe you learn that from my videos.
All right.
Oh, good. Smoky eye. You have 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Oh no. Okay.
What's your next product?
This?
Okay, this is a liquid eyeshadow. Very pretty. I haven't used it yet. Hopefully it's good.
Me either. Oh.
Pretty?
Oh, she's.
Ooh, that is pretty.
Hang on a second.
You can use the brush if you want to spread it out.
Oh no!
Do you
I
want
just
to
made
blend
it worse. Hang on. Hang on. I'm on a time limit. Your eyes.
Okay. We got 47 seconds.
Okay.
We got 47 seconds.
Okay, hang on.
Oh, that's real good. Okay.
Fix her in a
What's your
second.
next product? Highlight. Show them the palette. Show them the palette.
I can't.
Work
Okay,
it.
30
Yes.
seconds. Stop.
35. Okay. Yes. Give me a lot of highlight. We know I love to glow.
Smile.
Fake smile or like real
No,
smile?
just smile. I've never used this kind of brush before,
I love fan brushes.
but I'm getting this after.
Ooh, look at that. That's really good. You
Wait,
have
no,
12
stop,
seconds.
stop.
You have to use your last product. You have 12 seconds.
Last product.
You have 12. We have one more product. Lips, right? It's right here.
Oh my gosh!
Where's your lip product? Where is it? Pause the camera.
All right, do it like rub your lips and stuff, like make it look good.
Time is up. We are done. Oh, wow. Oh, good. A lot of my lashes are coming off. That's good. That color is really pretty, though. It was like a really, yeah, all right. Lip color is pretty. I don't know, but you know what? I don't know if I would hire you for an event or not yet.
I would not.
All right, so thank you so much.
Eye, something.
Love that. Contestant number 2 will now come in. All right, we are about to start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
So what are you using first?
I'm doing
Foundation.
Stop.
You have plenty of time. I feel like actually 5 minutes is a lot of time. Okay, that's good. Make me beautiful, please.
Unlike Marley, I wanted to actually have competition.
Oh! Oh, Marley's gonna love that. So you don't think she's competition? You're not impressed so far?
No.
I mean, if you don't poke my eye out, you'll be a little bit ahead of her right now. And you have 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Doing good. Just don't break my nose, please. So, Lainey, what grade are you starting this year?
4th. I can't talk.
You're too focused, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Thought you were gonna be funny and, talk about funny stuff and,
I will later.
This is concealer. Beautiful. So what are you gonna do with the concealer?
Is that right?
Perfect. Beautiful. Yep, looks good.
Are you sure?
Yep. Oh, okay, going back with the blender. Be very cautious not to poke my eyeball out.
I won't.
What was the first thing? Do you remember the first day we met?
Yeah, I wore the cheetah shirt and cheetah pants.
Ooh.
And the boots, and then we took the picture in the mirror.
We took a mirror picture of Polaroid. All right, are you going next product?
Yeah.
Girl, you're moving fast. You still got 3 minutes. Look at this cute Aladdin palette.
Yeah, I am a Disney fan.
She's a huge Disney fan. Doing the eyes now. Marley used bronzer as eyeshadow. And then glitter everywhere. And then she proceeded to take the glitter off with a sponge. Or a makeup wipe, I can't remember. You guys both blow in your brush, you know that? Did she teach you that or you teach her?
No, I just know to do that.
Ooh, okay then.
My mom taught me that.
Oh, mom taught you. You have 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh gosh, that's not enough time.
You only have 2 more products. What is this, blush?
Yeah. It's a lot.
Last product, what is this?
Lipstick.
By who? Girl, you still have 2 minutes. You have so much time.
Perfect everything after.
Oh, she's gonna perfect it after. Okay. All right, you have 1 minute and 49 seconds to do whatever you want. You work fast, girl. What about eyeshadow?
I'm gonna fix it a little bit.
Okay.
Do more sparkle.
Give me all the glitter. I don't think you can do as much glitter as Marley. So far, none of my left eyelashes have come out. That's good. You know what I realized? None of you guys picked brow products.
I mean, I think your eyebrows are already dark.
Yeah, they look okay right now. You have 1 minute and 5 seconds left.
Glitter, glitter, glitter. How did Marley?
How did
she? Glitter.
She did a liquid eyeshadow.
I feel like I have one already.
We'll see what the judge says.
Who's the judge?
You'll have to wait. We have a special guest judge today. You will just have to wait and see. Don't give it away. You have 24 seconds.
Marley was struggling at the last 12 seconds. I could hear her yelling.
She lost her last product. 10.
No.
9.
No.
8. 5 seconds.
Oh gosh. Okay, I'm done.
And she finished early. We are done. I'm going to take a look, wow, up close. Okay, on Marley's side, I love the glitter. It just got a little everywhere. Kind of looks like I
abstract.
Cried or something. Okay, abstract, that's good. I love the lip color. This lip color is so pretty. Love the highlight. Lainey's side, the blush is pretty. It's just, on camera it looks less, but in person it's a little bit bright.
I know,
but it almost is like a
sorry.
blush highlight. Like it's cute. I
I
like
should have
it.
went up here.
No, I like it.
I
It's
like
very
the
pretty.
eyeshadow, but
You do or don't?
no.
The eyeshadow is
Very blended. No.
it's okay. You only had 5 minutes. The concealer looks great, Lainey.
I didn't get to finish. I was gonna do like foundation right there, like how people when I watch
On their
those
eyelid?
videos, yeah, and they make
Those
it, like,
videos are my videos. You mean my videos. You don't watch anyone else's videos. I'm just
Okay.
kidding. It is time for the special judge to come in and pick who won.
Yeah.
It's Molly.
Oh my gosh.
She's the judge.
She doesn't
here.
like me.
Let's go get her.
Who just woke up from her royal nap. This
Could you
side?
look her up? No.
This side? Her tongue is out of her mouth right now. You guys, Molly's getting old. What about Aspen?
Okay.
All right, the other little princess is up from her nap. It's
Whoever
only
she
2 a.m.
goes to, she wins.
You're trying to suck up to her. That is bribing the judge and will not be allowed on this show. Okay, ready, Aspen? Do you decide?
She got
Okay, you decide? She looked this side.
No, she's looking at me. That's why she's distracted by me. No.
Vote is in, and Lainey is the winner. She licked this side of my face.
She was looking at me.
Because you bribed the judge, huh?
Oh,
All right, you guys, so this wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. We really just want to come on here and play with makeup and have a little bit of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below and turn those post notifications on so you never miss a brand new video. If you want us to do more videos together in the future, let us know in the comments, and also let us know who won. What do you think?
who do you think?
Who do you think won?
Got that like Maria.
Let us know down in the comments. All right. Thank you guys for coming on my channel.
Bye.
I love you so much.
Bye.
All right. Bye, guys.